Hello friends, this question is related to analogy portion of logical reasoning. The question reads, there is a definite relationship between figures P and Q. These are the two figures P and Q. Establish the same relationship between figures S and T by selecting a suitable figure from the options that would replace this particular question mark in figure T. So you see there is a certain relationship between figure P, this is your figure P, and this is figure Q. So there is a certain relationship between these two figures, and we have to establish the same type of relationship between S and figure T, and we have to choose the figure from the given options A, B, C or D. Then what we do for such type of questions, we have to observe carefully. Here you can see there are three shapes in figure P. Three shapes, what are those? These are triangle, square, I will write down in short form for your understanding, and the outermost is pentagon. Pentagon. You can see this is pentagon, then there is a square, triangle. So I will name these square, triangle and pentagon as a layer 1, square in layer 2 and square, pentagon in layer 3. Layer 1, layer 2. So layer 1 is the innermost portion, then layer 2, as we move from innermost to the outermost, we are increasing the layers. This is just a type of nomenclature I am using. You may use others, but this is the easiest way to solve such question. So layer 1 is a triangle, layer 2 is a square, and layer 3 is the pentagon. So this is there in P, and for Q this has what is in layer 1. Layer 1 is pentagon. You can see the innermost is pentagon, and then comes triangle. So layer 2 has changed to triangle, and layer 3 has changed to square. So if you observe carefully, you can see that square has come over here, pentagon from layer 3 to layer 1, and triangle from layer 2 to layer 1 to layer 2. So we have to do the same thing for the given problem, given figure S. Layer 1 is heart. Here you can see it's a heart. The innermost one is heart. Then comes the star, 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 and the outermost is a circle, that is in the layer 3 according to our norms or nomenclature, whatever. Now for T, what will be the figures in layer 1 and layer 2? Let us figure that out. Here you see triangle was there in layer 1, it has changed to layer 2. So what, as because heart is there in layer 1, this will be there in the layer 2. Pentagon has come from layer 3 to layer 1, so layer 3 to layer 1. So circle will come to layer 1, and square from layer 2 to layer 3. So I will write star over here. So I will write star over there in the layer 3. So the basically the figure will be like this. The circle will be there in the middle. Then heart will be there in the middle portion, and the outer portion should be star. So let us find which figure conforms to our findings. So inner circle, okay, option A has got innermost circle, then heart, then star, okay. Option B, innermost is heart, so this is not going to be our right choice. Option C is circle, heart and star, okay, this is one of the choice. Option D, innermost is heart, so this is not going to be our answer. So out of option A and option C, one of the answers should be right. Now there is another parameter in this question, and that parameter is the color. So you can see the innermost color over here. I can write again layer 1. Innermost color of layer 1 is green, then square it's blue, and the outermost color is red. So whereas for option Q, the innermost is red, layer 2 or the middle one color is blue, and the outermost color here you see it's green. So what is our observation? Our observation is that the middle layer or layer 2 color remains same, whereas there is interchange of color between layer 1 and layer 3. So green becomes red and red becomes green. So you can see it. So for similarly, out of option A and C, we need to check right option. So you see the innermost color over here, that is the heart color, is yellow for S. Then it's light green, we can say, and the circle color is pink. For our answer figure, that is option T, that is figure T, should be, then pink should come over here, then green should remain green, the middle, the center figure color should remain same, and the outermost figure star should become yellow. There is a change in color between the innermost and the outermost figure. So innermost, that is layer 1 color, should become pink. So here for option C, you see the innermost is pink, middle is green, and the outermost is yellow. So you can see that the innermost color has come to outermost, and the outermost, that is pink color, has come down to the innermost. So you can see out of these two options, option C is the right answer. So option C is the right figure. So in this particular question, we have found the relationship between figure P and Q, how figure pattern changes and the color changes, and similarly we have arranged the same pattern for S and figured out the figure T, which comes out to be option C. So I have taken a lot of time and elaborated this question in a very detailed manner, and which is taking a lot of time, but in real exam you have to be very fast in solving such question. You may make this table very quickly and arrive at the answer. The quickness of your answering such question depends on your visualization, and this will come through thorough practice. So practice more to answer your questions correctly. Thank you. Keep practicing with Decode Monk.